The function of the human respiratory system is to allow air to pass in and out of the body, and to provide a specialized surface for gas exchange to take place. Starting with the nasal cavity, the air is warmed and filtered as it enters the body. It then passes down the trachea on its journey to the lungs. The trachea is supported with rings of cartilage to prevent it from collapsing. The trachea then branches into two bronchi. One enters each lung. The bronchus is further branched into many bronchioles that end with small air sacs called alveoli. There are 300 million alveoli in each lung. This provides a huge surface area for gas exchange. The alveoli is the gas exchange surface. The alveoli are arranged into bunches. This allows for the maximum contact between the alveoli and the capillaries that surround them. The alveoli are adapted for this function in a number of ways. A large diffusion gradient is maintained by the ventilation of the lungs, keeping the concentration of oxygen in the alveoli high compared to the blood in the capillaries. There is an extensive network of capillaries surrounding each alveoli, ensuring oxygen-rich blood is taken away and carbon dioxide can diffuse from the blood into the alveoli. The round shape gives a large surface area, and the layer of moisture dissolves the gases, helping them pass across the gas exchange surface. The rib cage and intercostal muscles surround the lungs, and together with the diaphragm, they form the thorax. When we breathe in, the intercostal muscles lift the rib cage upwards and outwards, and the diaphragm flattens. This increases in volume and decreases the pressure, causing air to enter the lungs. When we breathe out, the intercostal muscles relax, moving the rib cage downwards and inwards. The diaphragm returns to its domed shape. This decreases the volume in the thorax, resulting in increased pressure. Air is then forced out of the lungs. Between the rib cage and the lungs there is a thin membrane containing pleural fluid. This reduces the friction between the membrane when we breathe.